A tent is in the form of a circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. So here we have the circular cylinder. This is the cylinder surmounted by a cone. So this is the cone. The diameter of the cylinder is 24 meters. So this is the diameter of the cylinder from here to here, 24. So if diameter is 24 meters, the radius, you'll agree, is 12 meters. The height of the cylindrical portion is 11. So this is the cylindrical portion, and the height of only the cylindrical portion is 11. While the vertex of the cone is 16 meters above the ground. So this is the vertex of the cone here, and it is 16 meters above the ground. So from here right up to here, it is now, this is 16 meters. So you'll definitely agree that this part from here to here, this part will be 16 minus 11, and that will be 5. So this part is 5 here, the conical height is 5, and then this area, this length is 11. So the entire length becomes 16. 11 plus 5 is 16. Find the area of canvas required for the tent. To find the area of canvas required, we need to find this area first, which is the CSA of the tent or of the cone, which is pi RL, this area, and then we need to find this area, and we need to add up both, and this is the CSA of the cylinder, which is 2 pi RH, the H of the cylinder. So this is how we go about the sum. We find the CSA of the tent, we'll find pi RL. So we have to know the R, we need to know the L here, and in this case, the yellow, we need to know the R and we need to know the H. So let's start by finding the CSA of the cylinder, this surface. And we know CSA of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. So for us here, and here we know the R is 12 meters, the H is 11 meters, and we'll substitute. I'll keep the pi as it is. For R I will put 12, and for H I will put 11. So then this becomes pi. 2 into 12 is 24 into 11, and 24 into 11 is 264. So the CSA pi, CSA of cylinder equal to 264 pi. Now we go ahead and find the CSA of the cone. Now for the cone, this is the cone here. We already know the R of the cone is 12 meters, is equal to this R, the same R, this is 12 meters, and we already calculated the height of the cone as 5. So the height of the cone is 5 meters. Now remember, we have to find the CSA of the cone, and CSA of the cone is pi RL. We do not know L, and we will find L by Pythagoras theorem. So to find L, we take this triangle here. So for this triangle, we already have seen that this is 5 and this is 12 and this is our L. We use Pythagoras theorem. I'll do it here. So you have 5 square plus 12 square equal to L square. You work it out, you get your L is 13. So let's go back here and see our cone. CSA of cone will be pi, our R is 12 and our L is 13. So now this works as 156 pi. So we calculated this as 156 pi, and we calculated this surface area as 264 pi. Now you'll definitely agree we need to add both these. So total surface or total canvas required for the tent will be this, the blue surface plus the yellow surface. So we need to add both this, and the blue surface we know is 156 pi plus the yellow surface will be 264 pi, and that works as 420 pi. Now I'm going to substitute the value of pi, and my pi is 22 by 7, and when I work this out it becomes 1320 meters square. And for the last we need to find the cost, and we know, oh, they didn't ask the cost, so here we got the answer 32. We don't need the cost. 1320 meters square. So in this case, just to go over what we did first, we found the area of the cylinder here, we found the CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the cone, and we added it up.